compassionate,
trust, caring,
family,
loyal,
joyful.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nora Tadi, and we're here at Custom Dental at the Colony. We pride ourselves on the greatest technology. We have a 3D scanner here, so we can render all images needed when we're preparing for surgery and implants to make the best decision for the patient and a better customized treatment plan. We also do laser cleanings for better antimicrobial effects and better effects for the patient. And we're constantly learning and ever growing with further continuing education courses to provide the best for our patients. I always knew since I was a little kid that I wanted to be a doctor and make a difference, a great impact in someone's life. I didn't like the aspect of being a medical doctor like the rest of the families. I decided to actually be a dentist and work with my hands. One of my patients that I worked on in the past that was my close friend and neighbor was a man who stopped smiling. He had a lot of problems in his mouth, a lot of health issues, and everything was kind of put on the back burner. And his wife came to me complaining, what can be done? I want my husband's personality back, and I want him happy again. And so we sat down and we took the images and pictures, and I discussed what's the biggest priority. We came with a customized plan for him, and we restored his smile back and got him smiling for the first time in years. They went and took photo shoots, and they renewed their wedding vows, and it was an epic moment for me. I did work in the university as a professor, also teaching dentists, international dentists, and then I moved on to private practice for some time and worked with the military. I provided emergency care to help them get ready for deployment in this great state of Texas. And now I'm back to private practice so I can focus on individual patients and families. We welcome you to come join us as part of our family and be honored to take care of you and your family's dental needs.